Okay, good morning, my YouTube community people. My name is Alem Emmanuel. So today we're going to see how to set up a start time dish and a decoder. Yes, so this is a decoder. This is a decoder I'm holding. I don't know if the camera can zoom it. Yes, this is a decoder. It's a paid. The company is paid. The channels are all paid channels. So let's see what is inside this decoder, inside this cartoon. So I don't know if the cameraman can zoom it. So let's see the access trees of the start time decoder. So once as you open your start time the cartoon, you are going to see the setup manual. This is a setup manual. Let me say you don't know things there, like the installer came and did the installation and you don't know how to manipulate the remote and the rest. You just use the setup manual. We also have the decoder itself, the decoder itself. This is the decoder. So in the decoder we have the serial number. Please, cameraman, just come nearer. We have the smart card number and the serial number. So this serial number is a subscription number if you have to subscribe. So just call the company and you send your you do the transaction and you give your serial number. Yes, it shows the voltage of this decoder, which is 12 volts. Now we have some inputs here. This is the LMB in, which will be connected directly to the decoder to the dish. Now you don't need a DSX switch to do this. We have the HDMI port. This is it. It produces high quality for the image, and we also have the AV port. You understand? We have this port that has three holes, yellow, red, and white. This is the AV port. We have now the power port DC, which is 12 volts. So this is the accessory. We also have the adapter. The adapter. I don't know. I have some Ghanaians in my YouTube channel, so they don't know the meaning of adapter. So there they call it the adapter. The adapter. So this is the adapter, 12 volts. If it's bad, just get to the market and get a 12 volts adapter. So this is it. We also have the HDMI cable. This cable helps you to produce a high quality of the video. So this is the HDMI cable. So let's go now to the manual setup of the dish. After that, we do the connection and we do the scan process. So this video is in three parts. The first part, the mounting of the dish. It must not be a start time dish. I don't know if you can show them the dish. This is a Canal Plus dish. I don't know. So it must not be a start time dish because I could not get a start time dish. I was supposed to get a start time dish, but I bought the Canal Plus dish. It must not be a start time dish. Take note. After mounting that dish, we need to do the connection. We do the connection, and after the connection, we do the scan. How to set up the decoder, which is a scan, and after that, what are we going to do next? We call now the Startime company in Cameroon. Yes, in Cameroon to do the subscription. If you're in Cameroon, you don't. If you're in Cameroon, you call the company here in Cameroon. You're in Nigeria, do so in Nigeria, and so forth. Or if you can do the subscription yourself using their mobile app or their website, is good. If you cannot do, you call. So let's start. Let's start. So I want to do the mounting of the dish. I'm to climb up and put the dish up and try to, like, I'm tracking the satellite of Startime. So Startime faces the west. I needed to show you with a compact, but I don't know to determine it. Either use your digital compass or your analog compass. You can get your analog compass using your mobile phone. So let's go. Let's see something. I don't know if you can zoom it. Let's see. Now you need to please zoom it. I told you I have many videos on my YouTube channel. I have many videos, but I'll be explaining some detailed things here. We have the elevation and the maximum setting. Now the elevation is, I told that elevation is left to right. I mean, maximum is left to right, while elevation is up to down. I think I have some geographers here, right? My students are here, they are geographers. They can explain. So now, just see, let's see something. I see. So now I was telling you elevation, up, down, maximum, left, right. So that is it. Now the frequency. I'm going to give you the frequency. After giving you the frequency, um I'm going to give you the elevation setting. Now the frequency is, it's face westward. So the let's get the frequency, then we'll start. So you need to use a satellite finder to do this. If you don't have a satellite finder, you use a free to air decoder. So let me show you a free to air decoder, and I will show how you configure it. Now if you on your satellite finder, please zoom. This is very important. Very, very, very important. Now your satellite finder is on. You look for your satellite. Take your satellite. Now this is a satellite UTELSAT 7B/7C. Click on it. You see the channels there: Startime, Guide, French, and the rest. They are there. They have many FTA channels. So you need to look for a suitable frequency. Yes. So I think I can give you this frequency. The frequency now for the start time is 11. Don't worry yourself, it's going to be displayed on the screen. Yes, so it's 11996 horizontal 27500. That is the frequency. So after having the frequency, you need to know also the elevation setting, and you are good to go. We call it a day. Now I'm to climb up and track the signal. Yes. To track, you can use several ways to track. Many of my YouTubers have been asking me, say how can I add frequencies and the rest. I did a video on that, but many people are just asking. Just be patient and watch that video. Yes, so I don't know if you can go up and we'll see something. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Now, first step you have to do, when the LMB is not yet connected, when the satellite finder or the decoder is not yet connected to the dish, the frequency here, the signal here is going to be on 1211. But once as you connect it, it's going to change from maybe 12 to 60 or 70. So just wait, let me connect it and see. Before tracking, you can also put your beep sign. Tracking your start time, your LMB position is 3 o'clock, showing that the LMB is good normally. Now let's do the tracking. I don't know if you can show the dish. Now please focus on the dish and the satellite finder. I'm doing now my elevation gradually. After doing my elevation, I'm going to do the maximum. The maximum now is left and right. I think I seen 16%, 69. I got the signal, but it's not always stable. Why? The dish is not yet tight. Look at something. It shows here. Why? Because I have tracked it already. Let's try to improve the signal from 69 to 70. Let us see something. Let us try to improve the signal. Try to see if we can improve the signal, because what we need now is the best quality. Because if you are tracking a satellite and you don't make sure to have the best quality, then most of the frequencies will not be there, like the signal. So let's try to give it a best quality and see something. So camera, please pay attention to this. I want to try to give it the best quality. I think it's increasing from 60 to 63. Let's try to see if we can give the best quality. I think 72. Wow, it's 72. Let's try to see if we can improve it again. Why are we improving this? Because when there's bad weather and the rest, sometimes you connect it to the decoder and it shows no signal, all those things. Somebody will be scanning it and it's having no signal. So let's try to see if we can get 75, then it will be the best. Instead drop. So I think 72 is good enough. 72 is good enough. Now what am I to do? I take my spinal 10 and tie the dish. Take my spinal 10 to tie the dish. So I think let's go. Let me do now the time. When time, make sure you don't shaking the dish that when that much. Try to tie it gradually. So I will start first with the elevation, right and left. No, maximum. Sorry, please, sorry. I'm tying it, making sure the dish does not shake. Because if it's shaking, you will lose your signal. You will lose it, my brother. So take your time and do the time. Yes, do the time. So the start times are 74 plus channels. 74 channels which are free. So if you don't do your subscription, you can still enjoy. It's not like Canal Plus that so let's start it gradually, and we try to run now the cable from the dish to the decoder, and do now the next step, which is by setting up the decoder, choosing your country, and after the country you do the installation. So this video will be a little bit lengthy, so don't be angry. It will be a little bit lengthy. So I'm doing now the elevation. I'm tying out the elevation. Once as I tie one very firm, then it's good. So this is the elevation that I'm doing. I make sure that the signal is there. Let me do for the other sides. The LMB position is, take note. I'm going to rotate this LMB to see if the signal will still be there. It will not still be there. I think the signal is not there. So each position has its LMB position, each angle. I think it comes back. So that is what I wanted to show you. Connect.